Let's discuss the pineal gland. This is kind of a mysterious gland. Mysterious. It's hard to really know what it does. It's kind of elusive. It's a small gland, as you can see, hanging from the third ventricle in the brain area. It has pinealocytes. In between the pinealocytes in the pineal gland, a lot of calcium salts. So because of that, X-rays can pick up that pineal gland fairly easily because of all the calcium salts. It secretes melatonin, which is derived from serotonin. It may determine the timing of sexual maturation and puberty, day-night cycles, physiologic processes, and slow rhythm variations, sleep, appetite. So as we look at it, let's go back. This is the pineal gland. Right here, you can see that it has some indirect connection to the visual aspect. Light inhibits it coming through. Dark stimulates it. That means dark stimulates melatonin to be produced. The suprachiasmatic nucleus is our biological time clock, and there's an association there. I go here. Okay, melatonin, this line, melatonin secretion increases during sleep. So in other words, it assists in sleep. During the daytime, it goes down. At night, because there's no light, it stimulates the pinealocytes to secrete melatonin to help with sleep. So it's kind of a biologic time clock. Let's go here. Here is the conversion to make melatonin. Melatonin is initially made from the amino acid tryptophan. Tryptophan can be enzymatically converted to serotonin. And in the pineal gland, you have this hormone which can convert serotonin to melatonin. Sunlight inhibits that. Sunlight inhibits this to make the melatonin. Okay, or light. It doesn't have to necessarily be sunlight, light. Okay. You hear that turkey makes you sleepy. This is kind of what it said. Turkey allegedly causes drowsiness because it's packed with a nutrient called tryptophan, amino acid. Tryptophan is one of the 20 naturally occurring amino acids, which you should have studied in my biochem in A&P1. And so because the body is unable to manufacture tryptophan on its own, it must obtain it from food proteins. So you had 20 naturally occurring amino acids, 10 are essential, 10 are non-essential. Essential means the body cannot make it. Okay, go a little further. So when we look at the pineal gland, let's go here. When we look at the pineal gland, go here. Some call it the third eye because it's association to the visual field. Go up a little bit so you can see it a little better. The pine does not contain a complete map of the visual field. It regulates daily body rhythms, day-night, can deal with coordinating fertility. So in other words, the pineal gland, again, is elusive, but it does have some functions. It's elusive, but it does have some functions. So always think of its sleep aspect and its sexual aspect in terms of activities with fertility. All right, we'll close here on the pineal gland.